Hi, with math is easy with Ala. Today we will discuss example 3 from differential equation, non-exact differential equations. Our question today is solve x plus 3x cubed sine y dx plus x to the power 4 cosine y dy. How can we solve this question? First of all, we know that this x plus 3x cubed sine y is mx y, and this is nx y. So partial m with respect to y equal x is a constant, so it's 0. 3x cubed is a constant, so we will derivative sine y. It will be cosine y, so it will be 3x cubed cosine y. Now partial n with respect to x. Now cosine y is a constant, so it will be 4x cubed cosine y. And we see here that partial m with respect to y is not equal to partial n with respect to x, so it's not exact. Now we will we will find the integrating factor. How can we do that? We find Rx equal 1 over n partial m with respect to y minus partial n with respect to x. So 1 over n equal x to the power 4 cosine y times partial m with respect to y is equal 3x cubed cosine y minus partial n with respect to x, it will be 4x cubed cosine y. Now 1 over x to the power 4 cosine y times, here the answer is minus x cubed cosine y. Now simplify, it will be minus 1 over x. So this is Rx. Now mu x equal e to the power the integral of Rx 1 or minus 1 over x dx, and it will be e to ln x to the power negative 1 means x to the power negative 1. Now we will multiply the equation x plus 3x cubed sine y, this one, equation 1, by the integrating factor. So x to the power negative 1 we multiply by x and 3x cubed sine y dx, and also x minus 1 we will multiply it by x to the power 4 cosine y dy, and here it will be 0 because 0 times x to the power negative 1, it will be 0. So simplify it, it will be x to the power negative 1 times x, it will be 1 plus x to the power negative 1 times 3x cubed, it will be 3x squared sine y dx plus here it will be x to the power 3 cosine y dy. Now this is now m and this is n. Now let us see here partial m over partial m with respect to y equal, now 1 is constant, 3x squared is constant, sine y cosine y the derivative, it will be 3x squared cosine y, partial n with respect to x equal x cubed cosine y. Cosine y is a constant, so it will be 3x squared. Where is it? Here. 3x squared cosine y. Now they are same, so it's exact. Now partial f with respect to x equal mxy. This means that partial f, let us do it here. So partial f with respect to x equal 1 plus 3x squared sine y. Now integral both sides, fxy equal, what's its equal? The integral of 1 plus 3x squared sine y dy. And it will be the integral of 1x plus 3x squared sine y. Sine y is a constant as a 3, and it will be 3x cubed over 3 sine y plus the constant, it will be a function of y. So fxy equal x plus x cubed sine y plus ky. Now partial f with respect to y, it will be 1, it will be this constant 0. Here constant times sine y, it will be x cubed cosine y plus k prime y. And partial f with respect to y, it's nxy. So x cubed cosine y plus k prime y equal nxy, which is x cubed cosine y. So k prime y equals 0. Integrate both sides, ky equal a constant. So substitute the value of ky in here in equation 2. It will be x plus x cubed sine y plus c. This is fxy. This is the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel. See you in another example.